Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to download BlueStacks on Windows. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. Alright, so go ahead and open up any web browser on your PC or laptop and then type in BlueStacks.com, and then from here you want to download BlueStacks 10. It'll start downloading. Once that is done, click on the download and that will bring up the installer. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes, and now click on install now. You can read the terms of use and then click on I agree. It's about 100 megabytes in size, time of recording, so it takes about a minute to download. Once that is done, another download will appear. It's about half a gig, so I'm going to pause this video and come back to it. And then once that is done, there'll be another 122 megabyte download. Alright, it's finally downloaded. Now it's checking your system requirements, so give this a few moments. It says here pause your PC antivirus if it is interfering with the installation. So if it's not installing, go ahead and disable your antivirus in the meantime. Alright, once that's done, your BlueStacks will be installed on your PC or laptop. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to download BlueStacks on Windows. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this video was helpful.